Hello there.
I'm Savannah.
I'm Casey.
And we are Hey Wanderer.
We are very excited. Today we are getting a shed and it's been a much needed addition to our homestead.
We have needed one basically the whole time we've lived here. We had one previously and it had to be torn down because it was small and just kind of
like
falling apart. Yeah, and so ever since then we have been storing stuff in our house and in our outside bar area and on our deck. So we are glad to have it because we're gonna be able to store the things that need to be stored there in there.
We are very lucky to be working with Heartland Sheds today. We actually sought them out to see if they wanted to partner together because we love their products and love that they would just come and build the shed for you.
Yeah, and they have cool designs too, a few different ones that you can choose from. So the process was really simple. Basically, you just go into the website and choose which shed you want, which shape. I believe ours is called the original or the classic.
The classic.
Yeah, it's just a very basic shed shape, but it's still nice looking. So yeah, you just pick out the one you want. You can customize them. They have different options, like you can choose different shingle colors, or you can add windows or shelves, and you can even choose for them to paint it for you if that's in your budget.
They have a lot of different size options. We chose the 12 by 16. We basically wanted the biggest shed that our property would allow for.
Basically, we placed our order on the website and you just wait to hear for them to call you and schedule an installation date. Our installation date was, I think, like 6 weeks in the future. Which honestly, not a big deal. It sounds kind of long, but they have a lot of people wanting sheds.
We did have to get our ground level. That may not be something you have to deal with, but our backyard slopes down like this, so we did have to hire someone else to come and create a nice level spot for them to build the shed. But that's the only thing that we really had to do, and then paint the shed.
Without further ado, let's see how it all went down.
So they first unloaded all the parts. They come pre-cut, so they're just ready to go up, and they start nailing them in. I think there were three or four people, I'm trying to remember, that put it together. Another thing I forgot to say, one of the things you pick out is your shingle color. I think they have 4 that you can choose from. We just chose like a basic black.
So after they unloaded, they assembled everything, and they were done that day. So it only took 1 day for them to assemble everything, which was super great for us because if we had chosen to build it ourselves, it would have taken like 3 months probably, or maybe a year, I don't know. We built our chicken coop and it took like 6 months. I mean, not full every day, but just because you're finding time here and there when you can actually do it.
And we're kind of in our busiest season with some of the stuff we're doing, so it was just, we thought about it. We thought long and hard about weighing the pros and cons of building it ourselves versus having someone do it, and I am so glad that we had someone else come out and do it.
Now, they built the shed and it comes primed, ready to paint. We did not have the package where they painted it for us, and honestly, that's the only thing we would do different. If we had to do it again, we would get them to paint it, because finding time for that and, you know, aligning it with a sunny day and getting all the supplies, it just would have probably been easier for us to just have paid for that service. But we did end up painting it. We chose to paint it the same color as our chicken coop. It's paint ground by Farrow and Ball, and it's just a really light pink, kind of like a neutral color, and it has white trim also because it just matches our chicken coop. We're very happy with this process and with having worked with Heartland Sheds. We have a shed now. We've already started organizing, and it's probably going to take us a while to get everything that is in our house that really needs to live in the shed to move that all around, but we are in the process of doing that, and I'll show you some shots of what we already have going on in there. That was our really quick shed builds experience.
One thing they do, once they're done, they give you like a checklist to go over and to tell you the things to look for to make sure they're all done, and you sign off on it saying, yeah, everything looks great.
Like I checked.
Like I checked that. And then the following day, someone from their office calls and makes sure, you know, that have you seen anything? So I was very happy with that.
Because we did have to level the ground, all around our shed is just like bare dirt. We're gonna have to lay seed down to get the grassy area back for the dogs, but right now it's just kind of like a mud pit, dirt pit, mud when it rains. It is on its way to looking back to normal. If you're interested in checking out Heartland Sheds, just go to their website.
We'll link it below.
Yeah, we'll definitely link the specific shed that we got. We'll link it below. And yeah, just go check it out, play around. You can see how you can customize it and just see the different ways that they have used the shed. or other people have used the shed. Don't forget to subscribe. We have
Give
a lot
us a
more.
thumbs.
Give us a thumbs up. We have a lot more homestead and home projects going on all the time. Bye guys.
Adios.